In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Typeform to Notion. Now we're going to go step by step here, so just follow along. The first thing you have to do, you must open up your form inside Typeform, okay? So I have one over here pre-made already. I'm not going to waste your time creating a new form for you because I assume you already have one. So I'm going to just open this form over here. And now that I've done that here, you will have to go to the Connections tab or the Connect tab up top, okay? That's the first thing you have to do. Now, mind you, you have to know which questions you have and what type of questions they are, because inside one of their posts over here on their help form from Typeform, it says over here that Typeform questions you can map to Notion fields types are following, okay? So you can have multiple choice, phone numbers, short text, etc. So these over here are the ones you'll have to select, and I'll show you what I mean in a few seconds. Okay, so after you've done that, the first thing we're going to have to do here is actually create a database essentially inside Notion. So we went to the connection tab over here, then go to Notion and create a new database. So I'm going to go over here where you can see in the private. Of course, you can put these where you want. I'm going to click on the plus button to add a page, and then I'm going to hit database over here and then do empty database. Now here we're going to leave this name as it is right now. I'm going to name this one, for example, Notion Connect, like this, okay? Because we're going to connect this to a Typeform. You can name it whatever you want. And then we have to add a property. So inside my form here, I have 3 questions, and all of them are multiple or multi-choice questions, okay? So these over here, multiple choice, the most simple ones, but if you have different ones, you may have a different situation over here. So let me show you how to actually build this up. First, inside Notion, you want to go to add property over here, and then you have to select the correct type. So for me, because I have multiple choice, I have to select multi-select over here. But of course, for you, as you can see, if you had like phone number, you had to go with phone, or you could have like any other things that are available over here, okay? So just to know that you're actually doing the right thing. For me, multiple choice, I'm going to go multi-select, and then this one is going to actually be named question 1. Of course, you can rename these, just make sure these tags are correct. The second one is going to be again, multi-select, and it's going to be question 2, okay? And the third one here is going to be question 3, so multi-select question 3. Okay, of course you can name these as you want. I'm just going to make it like that for convenience. And then this first one, I haven't found a way to actually change the type of this question, the property of this question, so I'm just going to leave it like it is because it doesn't bother me at all, okay? If you find a way, you can go ahead and type it down below in the comments for people to actually know whenever they come to watch this video. Now, after you've done that, after you have all of course, the rows you're going to be selecting data to, you then have to go over here inside your Typeform, and where you're on the Connect tab, you want to go and look for Notion over here on the left. So type in Notion and then hit Connect next to Notion. Then first, of course, it's going to say you have to publish to connect. So I'm going to have to publish this one. There we go. And there we go. So it's been published, and then you have to first authenticate your Typeform account. Hit over here and then wait for a few seconds, click on accept, and that's going to authenticate your Typeform account. The second thing you have to do is connect your Notion account. So click on authenticate, and then you'll essentially have to sign into your Notion account. I've done this already, as you can see, and then I'm just going to have to select pages over here. I'm going to go into private and then Notion Connect, which is the database I've been working on, as it says up here, okay? Make sure to select the correct one, because otherwise you'll have to redo this process if you hit the of course, not right one. So I'm going to click allow access. It's going to start authorizing again, and there we go. We've done this part too. Wait for a few seconds for this to actually finish, and then the most important part comes where we basically have to map Typeform fields to Notion property, okay? So what's going to happen here is we're actually going to have to, all the questions we have inside of our form here are going to have to be kind of linked to these questions in here, or kind of these table rows and columns in here, okay? So wait for this to actually authenticate. Sometimes it takes a few seconds, sometimes it takes a bit longer. And whenever it's done, we're going to be mapping this. There we go. So we're going to click on select a database here, and we have the Notion Connect database. That's the only one we have. I'm going to click on it. And then when you do that, there we go. You have to select first your Typeform question. So for me, I have 3 random questions. I'm just going to click on which color do you prefer, and then I'm going to do select a field to map, and this is going to be question 1. then I'm gonna do a plus here, and then question 2, what do you like more? I'm gonna do this as question 2, and then again, the third one, we have select a form a question, and I'm gonna do the third one over here, and then I'm gonna do question 3, okay? This is going to populate the first question in this column, the second one in this one, and the third one in this one over here, okay? So this looks cool to me. Of course, you could add your different scores and outcomes, etc. if you want to. I'm just going to skip this and click on Save Mapping. Then you have to accept these terms and conditions, and then here you can check it out. So right now is empty, as you can see, but if I go and click on check it out here, I can go and basically do a test. So I'm just going to answer my own type form. I'm going to do something random over here, and then I'm just going to click on some random things here, and I'm going to do Peter. There we go, and it says I can click on submit, and there we go. It says like this is the kind of the end screen I get, okay? So that's what I did. Now if I go back to Notion, as you can see, these questions are now being recorded in here inside different rows, and for that specific question I answered, I get that specific thing in here inside my Notion. So that's essentially all you have to do to connect Typeform to Notion. I hope this made sense, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.